a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to the Texan Shaves. Doing Fran'S Space Cream Day 2. Let's get right into it. So, Day 1 was right here, Day 2 is right next to it. Let's see what we got. Sorry, Fran, not trying to peel your head open here, but I'm gonna have to. Oh, what do we have this time? Oh. No other goodies in there, still no sales blurb. I was just looking at the back, seeing if there was anything on the back there. So, what we have today, I was trying to read that. It's Italian ices. Looking forward to this. Man, I wonder what scent that is. I don't think I've had an Italian ice before, but if that's a picture of the cup, I'm not sure if I've ever had this before off an ice cream truck. All right, let's get some of the splash on. All right, there we go. Ooh. It's kind of a citrusy. Yeah, definitely citrusy. It's nice. Guess it's like a lemon ice. Oh, that is good. Oh, man. No, I like that. I like that. Something else in there. I'm going to let that dry down. All right. So today I'm going to be using the Quantum Razor. And for the brush, I'm going to go with the Peregrino today. All right. So let me get a lather whipped up in this bowl using my Timokus bowl. And I'll be right back for the shave. Be right back. All right, we're back. I've got a amazing, as always, beautiful CK6 lather whipped up here. And let's get the glasses off and we're going to get this shave going. You know what? I need to load my razor. You know me, always forgetting something. Let's get that loaded. And should have left my glasses on, jeez. All right, we are good to go. All right, let's get the face wet. So one thing I thought about yesterday, and I don't remember if I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but I felt like there was a little something missing. Some of you may have already guessed it yourselves that have used this. Maybe you felt the same way. Let me know down below, any of you that have the Fran'S Space Cream Advent. And let me know what you think. But one of the defining moments of getting an ice cream as a child or even an adult off the ice cream truck is the refreshing cold to beat the summer heat. Yes, I'm a mint head. Yes, I love menthol, but I think this missed a golden opportunity, just having a very small kick of menthol in there to get that cold refreshingness. You know, that's part of the ambiance of getting an ice cream. Oh, this smells good. Or an Italian ice off an ice cream truck. That would have been nice. Is that a deal breaker for me on this? No, absolutely not. I am so far, day 2, another banger. I am loving this fragrance. I just think, man, would have been sweet with a little menthol. Now, can I add it myself? Absolutely. But I'm not going to for these videos because maybe there's one coming up. I don't know. Plus, I got to experience it as is first to give you guys my impression of it. I'm thinking, oh man, I'm loving this one. This one's a daily for me, I think. I love citrus, of course. Something else in there, and I can't quite place my finger on it. Is it this again? Somehow I feel they've got the wooden stick, wooden spoon in these fragrances. It's down in the base. We'll see when we get to the splash. All right, let's get this shave going. Quantum is a fantastic, beautiful razor. I wanted one for a while. I missed out on a couple of the releases and finally snagged one. It is a pricier offering. In the PAA razor line, but I mean, look at all the mixed metal on there. It's just so beautiful. And is a great, great razor. Super smooth shave. Now y'all know me. I'm not much I'm not much for gourmands, especially more of the bakery nutty ones. Fruits, not an issue at all. I do have a bit of an issue with peach. We've talked about that, but and I've come around to a lot of gourmands, but so far this, I wasn't afraid of doing Fran's Space Cream Advent because I got to thinking of what was on ice cream trucks when I was a kid, and there was nothing that I wouldn't want to shave with, unless my weakness, my kryptonite, is mint chocolate chip. If that'll be an interesting video if mint chocolate chip somehow shows up. But I don't recall ever seeing, well, maybe there was some mint chocolate chip bars or something, I'm not sure. Ice cream sandwich, I think there was one. Yeah, I'll have a problem if that comes up. I love chocolate, I love mint. Put it together and I'm gonna lose my lunch. All right, let's go for the second pass. Oh man, this is so good. I think there's more in there than citrus. There's something else coming through. And hell, I could be completely wrong on the citrus, but it sure felt like a nice, bright citrus at the beginning. But now there's something sweeter and a little, is there strawberry in this? A little freesia? Something like that? I don't know. Something going on. All right. Second pass across the grain. I honestly wish I could do this every video. I like the mystery of these boxes. I like not knowing and just giving my first impressions. One, it's so much easier than doing all the research and stuff on other fragrances and scent notes and stuff like that. Just to react to it on, basically I'm just telling you, do I like it or do I not? And I like it so far. I like this one a lot. Luckily, there's nothing like Yule ham on an ice cream truck. Well, except for mint chocolate chip. But we'll see. So I'm counting on all of them being a banger, just like last year's Christmas Advent calendar was. But again, we will see. I got a feeling there might be one that might throw us for a loop, but I don't know if Fran would do that to us. That's something probably more that Douglas would do. Sorry, Douglas. But you can't deny I'm wrong. But I mean, heck, I don't know. Maybe Yulham was Fran's idea. Maybe she does have that kind of sense of humor. All right, I'm gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh, that was a great shave. Great shave. I needed that too. Feels good. Smells good. Let's get this splash going. Let's get that back in order. If I can. Sometimes it has a mind of its own. Italian ice. Ices. Yeah, I don't recall. I mean, maybe there was. I just don't recall seeing those on my ice cream trucks, but I could be wrong. I do remember seeing like lemon cups and things like that, which I'm assuming is like the same thing. Ooh. Ooh. Definitely a citrus kick right at the beginning. What is that? There is something else there. And I just don't know what it is. But that is nice. This is like the quintessential summer fragrance on it. You know, it's just a great, it's not like a citrus bomb. It's not in your face heavy, but man, this is like a morning shave, wake up on a nice warm morning. I might have to use this in the morning actually. That is nice. It's very invigorating. It's energizing. It's really nice. All right, guys, that's day 2. Fran's Space Cream Advent, a new summer tradition. Those of you that are participating, let me know what you're thinking so far down below. Tell me what you think about today's. And find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shave.